In this video, we present our VR spacecraft assembly simulation, which was developed in the research group CGVR at the University of Bremen under the direction of Gabriel Zachmann in 2017. Our software allows users to configure a spacecraft by attaching various sensors to an orbiter module. With the HTC Vive, the user works in an immersive virtual environment using one of three input methods. The user can work with cybergloves, leap motion hand tracking, or the HTC Vive controller. The shown spacecraft is a 2-to-1 model of the potential target characterization module as it is used in the Canaria project. The asteroid that the user stands on is a downscaled scan of Itokawa. The user can attach and detach sensors by using intuitive grab and drop gestures. When placing a sensor, the final attachment location is previewed on the surface of the orbiter. Removing sensors works the same way. Each sensor can have a set of restrictions for attachment. If the user creates a prohibited configuration, like attaching a shadow side sensor to the sun side or having too many attachments on one side, affected sensors are highlighted and information is displayed. Afterwards, the design can be analyzed in regard to different aspects, such as the heat distribution or the field of view overlap of multiple cameras. Designs can be saved and demonstrated later. Our software allows the user to intuitively design and redesign a spacecraft.